Well, we can talk about it and see what we come up with.
Yeah, for sure.
And all of so we should just start the quiz because all the questions should be the same.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So we'll go into lesson 24 group meeting and start.
Group meeting start. Okay.
So let me know when you guys are ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I'm there.
Okay, so number 1 is true. Surprise, surprise.
Oh yeah.
For number 2, I got A only.
Me too.
Right.
Okay. For number 3, I got C.
Yep.
Yep.
I got D as in dog for that one.
I think.
And when I look back to lesson 2, that was the correct response.
Okay. And then that makes sense because they weren't randomly choosing prices, they were randomly choosing cereals.
Right.
Okay. So 3 is D is in dog.
Yes.
Okay.
For 4, I got A.
Yes.
I got D.
I got D. D as in dog.
D as in dog. Yes. And when I went back to lesson 3, that was the correct answer.
Yeah.
What? I guess if that's the right answer, that's the right answer.
Yeah, I could.
That doesn't make sense to me though. Well,
You're probably thinking the mean. Because there was a question about the mean, and it said that the mean would increase.
well, no, because the median is just depend on if it was. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So for 5, I put 95%.
Okay, just a second. So for 4, we're gonna go with D, right?
Yeah, we are.
And we're happy that Sue looked at all those answers because I thought it was
Yeah.
A. So. Okay.
So for 5, I put 95 just because it's 2 standard deviations.
Okay, so it is 2 standard deviations, but you have to go further than that. Using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, you have to take 100% minus 95%, which equals 5%, and divide it by 2 to get 2.5%, since we want to know how many will get under 50 minutes.
So it would be the opposite. Okay.
So it would be 2.5%. Do you guys think that's right?
That's what I got.
That's what I got too.
Okay, 2.5.
I got 141.2.
For 6?
Yeah.
So is that for number 6?
Yes.
So this one, they're asking for the 35th percentile, and so you put in 0.35 in the probability applet at the top.
0.385.
Right.
Z-score of negative 0.385, and then you plug that into your formula.
You got negative 0.385?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because when you went to the applet and you put in 35%.
Yeah, I got negative 0.35, so I just must have written it down wrong.
Oh, okay. And then when you plug it into the formula, which is x equals u plus z times standard deviation, it's 150.7 minus 0.385 times 10.2, which equals 146.773, which, when you round that up, is 147. But it looks like
This was on homework quiz 5. I did look this up, and it was 146.7, and that's the answer I got too.
okay.
Because I took up half my page list with this one because I kept doing it wrong. So I figured it out eventually.
Yeah, that one was that was lesson 5.
Yeah, it's on homework quiz 5.
So if they want one decimal place, then we would go 146.8 because it's 146.773. What do you think?
I didn't get that. Just a second. I got 146.7, and then that was the answer in the quiz too.
Okay.
All right.
Let me do the math again.
If it was right on the quiz, I'm sure it'll be fine.
Well, I don't want to. Okay, 0.385 times 10.2 equals, oh, what am I doing? That's not what I have written here. Okay, 3.927, and for some reason I wrote 3.93 here. So Sue might be right, except for let's look back at homework quiz 5, guys, because I thought I compared it. 3.927.
I'm still getting 146.773.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. I got it too. I wrote the number wrong, but I'm trying to figure out why I wrote that. Maybe they only wanted one decimal place. Let me look back at quiz 7 or quiz 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I got up at 4 this morning and did this, so.
Oh, struggle.
So
Yeah,
crazy.
I'm actually better in the morning though, so it's okay. 140. Where is it? Oh. I got it wrong on the quiz. That's awesome. But just a second. That's awesome. But actually, where I saw this, I remember now, is he sent out an announcement where he said commonly missed ones, and that's where he did the work. I copied his work. I remember now. So basically, let's probably go off of what we have and not what he did.
And I got it right on the quiz, and I've got 146.8.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you're right. And what I did is I copied his work that he, when he sent out the email?
Right.
And I
Right.
just copied that. So yeah, I don't think he would have let us get it. I think he would have said. So I talked to him about the test next week because, like it starts on Monday and it's due Wednesday night, and I work 3 12-hour shifts. Like I work all day Monday, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday. And he's like, sorry, he wouldn't let me extend till Thursday.
Oh my god.
Like, I don't think that's extenuating circumstances. And I leave for work at 5 in the morning. I get home at 7 at night, and I'm on my feet all day. I'm like, really? I was a little bit feisty. He probably thought, wow, a little feisty. But I'm like, shoot. I wish I've been trying to like find somebody to take my shifts, but nobody really wants them, seeing as how it's Christmas time.
Right.
You're gonna do so great on the test, Annie. No worries.
Oh, I don't know after working that much. And then Wednesday night, I'm on call all night, so I could potentially never come home that night. So I could never do it Wednesday. Anyway, let's move on. That's fine. Whatever. It will all work out.
Oh.
We'll be praying
Okay.
for you, Annie.
Thanks.
For number 7, I got A.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I got D. How did I get D? A team of researchers were studying together. Suppose you were a part of a research team and take us. Oh, you're right. It's right skewed. Why did I write that here?
Well, maybe you were looking at the sample size from above instead of the sample size from the question.
I don't know. It's A. You're right.
Okay, and for 8, I wrote the z-score somewhere down on my paper, but I can't find it. So what did somebody else
Yeah, I got,
2.236.
for that?
yeah, 2.236.
0.236?
2.236.
Oh, 2.2. You guys keep cutting out. I'm sorry.
It's weird.
For 9, does everyone agree with that? 2.236?
Yeah.
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 For 9, I got 0.92.
They want 3 decimal places, so it's 0.991.
I got 0.991.
Me
Okay.
too.
For 10,
A? Did you say A?
no, I said D.
I got A.
I got it.
For 11, I put E, but I circled it because I always get these ones wrong.
I got C and E.
I got B and C.
I got B and C.
Yeah.
What did you say, Maritza?
I got C and E.
C and E.
Well, this one is from lesson 10,
Okay.
and I got it right on the quiz. It's number 4 on the homework quiz,
Okay.
and it says B and C.
Okay.
And- okay.
I finally just had to write this out on my notes sheet. You know, we can have that one page of notes. And I had to write these 2 statements out on that sheet so that when I took a test, I could be like, okay, this is the one that's right. Just so.
Yeah.
So for 12, I put C.
I got A.
Got A.
I got A.
Okay. For 13, I put 0.257.
I got 0.020.
Two.
I got 0.0193. How did we have to round this?
3 decimal places.
Did you divide it by 2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe what I did divide by 2, but it just looks, I'm so close to you guys that it seems like I'm probably just I don't have my work here. I can't remember what I did. It's been too long.
I know. This is lesson 11. This is lesson 11, homework quiz number 4.
Homework quiz number 4.
Yeah. And I got it right.
Homework quiz 11.
What?
So 0.020?
Yeah. Something like that. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
For 14, I put D.
Yeah.
That's what I got.
For 15, I got 0.096.
Yeah.
Yep.
For 16, I got C.
Oh, hold on. I got wrong. I got off on my numbers here. So 16 was 0.096 on my paper. Sorry, 0.096. Oh, I put 2 answers for 16. Go ahead. Sorry.
Okay. So 16, I got C.
Okay.
Yes.
For 17, I also got C.
I got
a
B.
B.
I got B as in boy.
Yeah.
Okay, so 17's B. Is that what everyone else got?
I lost you. What'd you say?
Yeah, you
got-
froze up, hon.
Am I okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, now I can hear you.
For 18, I got C.
Okay.
Like cat.
Yeah, like cat.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
For 19, I got C, but I circled it because it's the same thing that it was before, that I'm never sure.
I got B.
I got B as in boy.
Okay.
B as in boy.
Great.
Yeah.
You know what I've noticed about these, Julia, is when they say true mean, but they don't say chance. Those are usually the ones that are right.
Okay.
That's what I see. But,
So for 20, I got 50.
Yeah.
Right.
yes.
I got D.
Yeah.
B as in dog.
Yeah, D as in dog.
Yeah.
Hold on, is this 21, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Why did I wrote down B? I don't know why.
Yes.
I wrote down B because looking for he wants to have a batting average of .250. And so he needs to know if 40 is enough times. Is that right, or?
Okay, this is lesson 16. Oh, wait.
Good.
Wait, yeah, lesson 16. And it's number 16, number 5 on the homework quiz.
Okay. I believe you. I'm gonna have to look at this and remind myself how to do it. Okay. So we decided it was D.
Yes.
B as in dog.
Okay.
For 22, I also got D as in dog.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, great. I got C, but that doesn't mean anything. Yeah, it is D. I remember seeing the answer for that, actually.
Lesson 16.
Yeah, I remember seeing that one. I just didn't answer it right.
So for 23, I got 0.093.
I got 0.100, and I think I saw it on one of the quizzes.
That's what I got.
I got 0.071.
0.100.
Yeah.
This is also lesson 16.
What did you say the answer was? You cut out when
0.100.
Okay, perfect.
And my z-score was negative 1.2844, if that helps.
Okay.
So it's 0.100?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's lesson 16 quiz, homework quiz number 9.
Okay, thank you.
So for 24A,
I got B.
I got C as in cat.
I got B as in boy. Could you divide by 2?
Oh, okay. So B as in boy.
No, you don't divide by 2. Just a second. Why did I get that?
No, it's this. It's the 0.091 from the question. If you are that's your
Okay.
that's the p-value.
Well, and they say the area to the right. That's what's tricky, because the hypothesis says difference, but then they want to know the area to the right, so you divide it by 2. Right? Is that what you did, Sue?
Hang on a minute. You know what? I don't have this one written down, what lesson it's from. Just a minute.
I don't even have my work written down. Well, we put in the z-score, 1.334. Yeah, we can do this. The area to the right of that. Yeah, so the z-score is 1.334. Fill in the area to the right of it, and you get 0.0911.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I had shaded both sides, so I think that's why I got 0.182.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's double. That's why I was like, oh, maybe I cut it in half.
So yeah, we're going with B then?
Yeah.
All right.
I love the background music.
Oh, can you guys hear that? The Christmas music? I spent like 30 minutes cleaning this office because it was really bad, and I was like, I should have some Christmas music. I got paint all over my hands. I went and helped my friend paint.
We lost Julia.
We lost her. She's got a bad connection today.
Yeah.
I know, it's nice to hear some Christmas music. I'm ready to get down with statistics and enjoy some Christmas.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to see if he'll let me do the test just do it on Saturday then.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'll just call her.
Second.
What she said, it won't get back on the internet. Shoot! She has her quiz open.
Oh my gosh.
But she could always, I think, do it later. I'll just call her, do you think?
Yeah.
Except I can't do speaker, but...
Oh, here she comes.
Yes.
Oh.
There she is.
She's back!
Yay!
that's what I get from being at home today. Did yours go up too? Everybody in here is having problems.
Oh.
Oh my god.
So
What
26.
is like 26. Sorry, totally lost
Oh,
my.
you probably have to get everything started back up again, huh?
So 25. I didn't ever hear what anyone said about that.
Oh, 25.
I've got any N will do.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Me too.
That's what I put too. Okay, for 26 I put D.
Yes.
Yes.
I put
27.
D as in dog for number 26.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
27 I put B as in boy.
Yes.
And for 28 I put C, I think.
I was really uncertain. I put B though.
I
Yeah, I
B
put
as
B
well.
and I went back forth between B and C. So
I don't know.
Yeah, what I wrote down here from the book was the difference between the observed value of y and the value that would have been predicted by the regression line. That's the residual.
so would that mean it was B then?
So that means it would be B.
Okay.
And if we're all feeling good about B, that's what we're going with.
Yes. Good.
Okay. So for 29 I put C.
Yes.
Yes.
For 30 I put B.
I
But
put B, D, and E.
this is the question we did last night, so it was A, B, C, right? Wait.
No, it would be B, D, and E.
They just mixed up the order.
Okay, I was going to say, I just looked at it and I realized that. So, perfect. So, B, D, and E.
Okay.
For 31, I got 0.780.
Right.
For 32, I put B as in boy.
Yes.
Yes.
For 33, I put 303.69. Oh, but we need 3. So,
What?
I didn't get anything like that.
No.
what did you guys get?
So for B naught, I got 115.640. And for B1, I got 0.627.
I got something completely different. That's awesome.
Uh-oh.
I got, but I'm not saying that mine's right. I got negative 17.087 and 0.972. But I don't know if I'm right. I don't. This was confusing.
Yeah, I
So-
got something completely different also.
That's awesome. Let's do this one together. Should we
Okay.
have Julia pull it up on a screenshot, or should we all do it separately?
I don't know if my internet's going to be able to handle the remote desktop stuff.
I
Oh,
have
yeah.
PSS open.
Let me just get it. I'll get it. Oh, I can pull it on a screenshot. I know how to do that now. I forgot. Okay, what's the data?
It's
So-
direct flight cost.
We're looking for, this is still in the direct flight costs
Okay.
data. And
Here, I'll pull it up.
by this point, you've so to get the slope and the y-intercept, you have to do analyze, regression, linear, and then under statistics, you check the confidence intervals.
Okay, so I have it pulled up here. Do you guys see it?
Yeah,
So you're saying analyze, regression, linear.
right.
Now, the dependent was 90 days, wasn't it?
Yes. No, that's the independent, right?
Let me read the question again. They wanted to predict the price of tickets 14 days before a flight based on the price of tickets listed 90 days before. You're right. 14 days was the dependent and 90 days was the independent. And maybe that's what I did. Okay, and were you going to say go to save?
Then go to statistics.
Okay, here's statistics and confidence intervals.
Check confidence intervals.
And we don't need to, do I need to do save?
For the next
It's not gonna
problem.
Not for this one, but if we want to do it for, yeah, if we want to do it for the next one.
Okay, does this look good? Should I hit okay?
So you might as well do save and
Yeah, I did it.
check the.
Okay, I'll hit okay. Let's see what we get. Do you guys see that?
No.
So, oh, you don't see it?
No.
Okay, let me figure out how to save what I'm sharing. Screen share. And I think you want this one? Okay, there it is.
Yeah, that's
How's
it.
that?
That's good.
Okay. This is what we want, isn't it?
No.
7.
Under
No?
B. Under B.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yes. 115.640 is B naught.
That's awesome.
This is the same discussion we had last night, huh?
Probably.
Yes, it is.
Because I didn't learn a whole lot about this since last night. So, is this the one? Is this the answer that you got, Sue?
Yes.
So it was 115.640 and 0.627.
Yep.
I don't know what I did to mess that up. Honestly, I'm not sure what I did. 115.6470. But I have noticed if you do it a different way, you get a different answer. Almost like if you've done work in it already, then it, I don't know. I'm not really sure.
So
0.627. Sorry about that. 0.627. Okay, 115.640 and 0.627. Is that what everybody got?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, for 34, I wouldn't trust my answer because I did this before we met last night. So I got 240.92972.
Right, and they want us to round it to
Yeah,
one
round it.
decimal place, so it makes it 241.0.
And I got 177, so let me redo that on my part. Just a second. I'm not, okay.
So you have to go back into your data and put 200 at the bottom of your 90-day prices.
Oh, I thought it was at the bottom of the 14-day. That's my problem.
Yeah, that would be your problem.
I still have it in there from earlier, I guess, because it's still there. What the heck? I probably just got interrupted. Okay, so what'd you guys get?
241.0.
241.0?
Yeah, because you have to round it to one decimal place.
Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
I'm ready, guys. You don't have to wait for me. I'm just okay.
Okay. Sorry, somebody just gave
Oh,
me
I
a
thought you were
kiss.
waiting for me.
So. No.
I don't have a new one.
So for 35, I think, like we talked about last night, I think I grabbed the top one and not the bottom one, so I don't think this is right. Because I got 80.332 to 150.948, and I don't think that's right.
I got 0.518 and 0.735.
And then that's the bottom one, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, what was the second? 0.518 and
735.
I got something different again, so I don't know what I'm doing.
No, you got it. It's right there in the 90 days section. Do you see it?
Oh, it's because originally I was wrong. So this is...
See, there's the one that I got, which is wrong, and then there's the one that Sue got, which is the right one.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what the answer is.
0.518 and 0.735.
Yeah.
0.735, and that's here? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have got it right last time because remember I set up my thing wrong. 0.518 and 0.735. Thank you. We're so lucky to have such a smart group.
Okay, so for 37. Wait,
36.
is that where we are?
36.
Oh, 36. Sorry. For 36, I got B.
Is it B or is it D?
I got B as in boy. One's capitalized.
One is a Greek letter.
Beta. So it's beta is the population mean, and B is the sample mean. So
For this analysis, this is the flights one still, right?
right.
So wouldn't it just be the sample then?
I don't know.
So okay, so the estimated linear regression is B, and the true linear regression was the beta. So is this estimated or is it true, I guess, is the...
I would guess that it's estimated. Right? Because you don't have the whole population of all the flights, which would make it the true one, right?
This is on lesson 23.
Yeah, it is. Well... I'm just looking at lesson 23.
Maybe like 4.1.
Okay, so...
I don't know.
Yeah, 4.1 shows...
Because they don't ever use B for the hypothesis testing. Like when they say what their hypothesis is, they don't ever put B.
If you look back on lesson 22, just down at the summary, it says in statistics we write the linear regression equation, and then it's y equals BO plus B1x, where BO is the y-intercept of the line and B1 is the slope of the line. This is what I want to get to. It says the values of a small BO and a small B1 are calculated using software. So I mean, we're calculating these using software. Where is the capitalized one just given to us? Like, is that the difference? I'm trying to figure.
So look at lesson 23 under 4.2.
Or if you look down at the summary, there's a little blurb about it too.
it says the null and alternative hypothesis for this test are, and then it's got the beta. Beta 1 equals 0, and the alternative is beta 1 does not equal 0. And then below that it says the relevant summary statistics include the sample size and the estimated regression equation, which is y hat equals b naught plus b1 times x.
And if you go down to the summary, it says we conduct a hypothesis test on bivariate data to know if there's a linear relationship between these two variables. To determine this, we use the test of beta 1, test the slope beta 1 on whether or not it equals 0. The appropriate hypothesis for this test are null equals beta 1 equals 0, and then the alternative beta 1 equals not 0.
That's why I got D, as in dog.
Yeah, I was
I
gonna say,
agree. I agree.
that makes me think it's D. Okay, so D.
D as in dog.
For 37, I got T equals 11.509,
Yes.
and then P is 0.000.
Yes.
Yep.
0.
For 38,
Yeah.
yeah, 0.4 zeros.
Okay, yeah.
For 38, I got C.
Yes.
Oh, and then there's these ones, which I struggle with. So we'll just...
You know what helped me with this? Remember last time we were doing this, and I'm like, I don't even get these at all. But when he gave like 30, 40 practice ones to actually do, like in like a few weeks ago, did you see those? Like all these scenarios?
I didn't, but I can go find them.
Go find those and do all those scenarios. After that, I'm like, okay, I got this. But before that, I didn't understand it at all. So that
I did those too, and I'm still struggling, but
they were really helpful.
For number 37, we said 11.509, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
So for 39, I put D.
I got B as in boy.
Yeah, D as in boy.
yeah, B is in boy.
Okay. That's what I got for the next one, for 40.
Well, you know the standard deviation for that, so I put A for that one.
Okay, that makes sense. For 41, I put F.
Yes.
Yes.
For 42, I put G.
Yes.
Yes.
And for 43, I put I.
Wait a minute. Wait. So for 41, you put F as in Frank?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we're saying that age is categorical.
Yes.
All right. I'll go with that. And then 42, what did you say?
G as in George.
Yes.
And then for 43, I put I.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that it?
Yes. Let's do this thing.
I think so.
Okay, I'm clicking submit.
Yeah. Okay, we're close. Oh, that's interesting that number 3 is wrong now.
I think number 3 was C.
I got C, but I don't know.
The price?
Yeah. I asked a tutor, and that's what he said. So I was like, oh, okay.
I had C in my answer.
Because when I did it in the quiz, I did D and it was correct.
That's weird. So why did we get 20? Did you guys get 24 wrong?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm still.
I had originally put .182.
Maybe there was a little bit more of math involved in that.
That's so weird because these were marked right on the quiz. So I'm not sure why, and it's the same wording and everything. So we don't know. We can assume that it's 0.182, but we don't know that for sure.
I
Yeah.
don't know why it would be, though.
Huh. Well, I'm going to talk with Brother Papa tonight, and I'll ask him about those two, and I'll let you know.
That would be really helpful.
Thank you so much.
What's
Okay.
that?
I was like, thank you so much.
Oh, okay. Okay, I will find out about those, and I will finish this spreadsheet and send it out to you guys so you can fill it in. Because I just felt like I did that for my the last exam, and I felt like it was really helpful.
That would be so great.
Yeah, thank you.
That would be really helpful. I'm looking over the Google Doc.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I was gonna say we gotta look over it so that Annie can get going.
I actually have to go get my kids like right now, but I think I can put you guys on my cell phone, so let me try to do that, and then I can drive and talk to you.
I've got to run too, though, so.
Okay.
All right. Well, I pretty much just did it, and if you guys have anything else to add, then add it in, and I'm not going to turn it in. It's due Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to turn it in till like tomorrow night.
Okay.
So let me know when you've looked at it and add whatever you think would be good, and we'll turn it in.
Okay.
Sounds good.
And we don't have to put a bar chart in here, right?
No, we did that last time.
We don't have to again? Okay, cool. Okay, that's perfect, Sue. Thanks, guys.
Nice.
And so do
Yeah.
we meet next Tuesday again? Is that to talk about our group project?
Oh, yeah, there's something due next week. We have to do a PowerPoint.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna on Tuesday. For some stuff for my calling. So is there a different time that we could meet next week?
Yeah, let me look at when that's due. Guess what? Brother Papa showed me something I didn't even know was there. You guys probably know it's there, but under course menu on the black tab, you can go there and you can look at grades, and then it tells you when things are due. I did not know that. I didn't know anything about that. Okay,
I go
seriously.
grades all the time.
I don't know anything. So let's just check the due date on that and then set a time.
Okay.
I believe it's Thursday, but
Probably right.
yeah.
Because we could even set up. A shared PowerPoint too. So if we want to start working on that, I can set that up.
That'd be great.
That would be great. I don't know anything about PowerPoints, but my husband doesn't work a lot, but so he can help me. And then it looks like Thursday we're supposed to do an evaluation. That's the final.
Yeah. The PowerPoint's due Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and then there's an evaluation.
Let's just go with the flow, guys. Whatever.
Yeah, the evaluation on the group project is that final piece. And that's also due Thursday, but it sounds like we would do that on our own, right?
I think so.
I think so.
Yeah.
So basically, we put the PowerPoint on that Google Docs thing. We can all add to it the same way.
Yeah.
Right.
Cool. Okay.
So do you guys just want to plan on working on that separately and seeing if we can do it without meeting? And just check everyone else's work?
I wouldn't think we'd have to record anything or submit a Hangout, do you?
It says that we create a PowerPoint presentation summarizing the first 5 steps of your project.
And then
so,
for lesson 25, there's no group meeting. So,
Yeah, I'm just reading that. Mm-hmm.
so I think we can make that work.
yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's do that.
All right, guys. Good luck on that test.
You too.
You too.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.